ready. Traction control off.
Look at him.
Hey, back up.
You got it on both of them?
Yeah, back up. But you put one in the front, one in the back. Go.
What happened? Oh, he done messed up on the glue, y'all. This is a good race. Y'all. Damn, man. I still spent a little bit off the line, man. Dang. I can't get him with no spinning. It was a good race, y'all. Good. I get to race him again. We 1-1, y'all. I seen you got me that time. Now I'm gonna have to get you. I'm gonna have to get you next time. Yeah, he got me that time. You got me.
I can't believe this shit. That nigga very good for the kick in him, man.
Yeah, hey man, hey, it tried to shift and come back. I was like,
Yeah,
I thought I was too. That boy kept on. Hey, I said, damn, this is a good race. It was a good race, man.
Who's got the video?
Hey, call Street Outlaws. It was too close. We gotta go to the tape. We gotta go to the tape. Yeah, we gotta go to the tape, y'all.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look at him.